Swagbucks has paid users over $900 million, while Survey Junkie built its entire platform around one thing: paid surveys. That one difference changes almost everything about how you earn. By the end of this, you'll know which platform is better for speed, consistency, and total earning potential. Here's the direct answer. Survey Junkie is better if your goal is pure survey income. Swagbucks is better if you want more ways to make money. Start with the setup. Survey Junkie is simple. You create your profile, answer demographic questions, and the system matches you with surveys. That keeps the process tight. Less clicking around. Less wasted time. Swagbucks works differently. Surveys are only one part of it. You also get cashback shopping, app installs, games, video tasks, and search rewards. That makes the platform bigger, but also more crowded. That's the first trade-off. Survey Junkie gives you focus. Swagbucks gives you options. Now the important part: earning speed. If you log in for 30 minutes and only want surveys, Survey Junkie usually gets you into paid tasks faster, because the entire homepage is built around survey matching. Swagbucks can slow you down because you're sorting through multiple offer types. But Swagbucks has a bigger ceiling. If surveys are dry, you can switch to cashback offers, mobile game milestones, or promo deals. Survey Junkie doesn't have that backup. That matters because survey availability changes daily. Now, payouts. Survey Junkie usually keeps redemption simple with PayPal and gift cards. Swagbucks also offers PayPal and gift cards, but its point system means you need to convert SB into dollar value. That adds one extra step. Not hard, just less direct. Here's where people choose wrong. If you only like surveys, Swagbucks can waste time, because too much of the platform isn't relevant. If you want to stack multiple earning methods, Survey Junkie caps your options fast. That's why neither is better for everyone. Use Survey Junkie for cleaner survey income. Use Swagbucks for broader earning. Quick recap. Survey Junkie wins for speed and focus. Swagbucks wins for flexibility and higher earning potential. Both depend on your demographics and region. Practical next step. Spend 5 days on each. Track your dollars per hour, and keep the one with the better return. If this helped you decide faster, hit like and subscribe for more app breakdowns.